I'm Meggie from the Mavens, and it's time for the weekly phrase. You know, now that spring has sprung, it's time for spring cleaning. Oh, do you know spring cleaning? I think you can probably guess. It really just means a big clean or a refreshing clean. It's when we clean everything that we don't usually clean. So in Korean we might say 대청소, spring cleaning. We can also use it when we're talking about our social life or our personal life. When I delete contacts from my phone, I'm spring cleaning. Or when I'm getting rid of some unnecessary appointments, I'm spring cleaning. When I throw away dresses that I don't wear anymore, that's also spring cleaning. So, when you hear spring cleaning, think about a refreshing clean, a new start, just like the new spring of this year. So, think about it, remember, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye!